guys, today we are doing brilliant. It's normally for coding and it will make you a coding master. Let's start. First, repeat 4 times, okay? Drive forward, it means it should drive forward. Then deliver package to the place. That's the because of this repeat 4 times below, it repeated the same thing 4 times. Now repeat 4 times again, but it's a change. Drive forward, then deliver package, turn right. No. Yes, now look. Drive forward and deliver the package. Then the truck will drive forward again and turn right, and again drive forward, deliver package, and the same. Because of this, repeat for vlog again. Let's see. No, repeat 4 times. Drive forward, deliver package. Look at this showing you. Look, if I did the correct way, but if we do like this, it can make a problem. Again, financial distributor. First, the truck had to turn left, drive forward, deliver package, turn left, drive forward, deliver package, turn right, left, drive forward, deliver package. We made it. Whoa. Yeah. Repeat 4 times. Oh. Drive forward, turn left, drive forward, deliver package, turn right. Okay. It was not turned left. What? It is in drive forward, turn left. Hey! What are these dogs doing? Making a trouble to us. Okay. Drive forward, then turn right, drive forward, deliver package. Okay, and turn left. Yes. Okay, we did it. Oh, now they are diving into real Python. Look, for I in range 4. Oh, the first thing you see it is for I in range, and in bracket written is 4. It means repeat 4 times, and in the bracket if you write 5, then it will repeat 5 times. It's on your number. Truck forward. Okay. Then tread left. Oh, tread dot left. Tread dot deliver. Tread dot forward. Tread dot right. Okay. But okay. Nice, good. Let's quickly check your understanding. Huh? Again? Okay. Move forward again. Now in this stratagem, turn left. Yes, 3 times 3 and done. Oh. Yeah, I think it is. Yes, look at that. What? No, look. There is repeat 5 times. Move forward to that jam, turn right. Move forward. Turn left. Okay, I think it will be. Yeah. Oh, wow! How many gems were there? Okay. Nice work. Okay. 20. 150. Wow. You under street charge. You out of keys today. Okay. No thanks. Bye bye, guys.